World Bash New York. Listen, we had it in Canada and it was wild, crazy. Now they're bringing it back to New York with Steelie. But you see, this dance here has a couple of different, it has like 3 different components in it. There's a crowd-in with Rory, Sky Juice, Glamour Wayne, and Jagami. All right. But then this is your second part here where the New York Shellers come into play, which is you, Massive B, Next Level, Noah, and Polish. All right. What kind of strategy are you going to actually come with on that night there where, because remember, this is now no longer just your place. This is all of you guys' place. What are you going to actually pop off that night there, Steelie?
I will have to watch to see and test the temperatures of the water. I can't sit here and say, all right, I'm gonna make a playlist to go in there to know that, okay, I'm gonna play this and I'm gonna play that. I have to listen to what's taking place, which direction they're going, and then and there I can kind of adjust to the direction I may go, you know, and just like a party, we feed off of the DJ that plays previously. Like last night when Dance Did Nice, like I did not drop the energy when I first started. I kept the energy up. For sure. It depends on, you know, the people, watching the people. So playing music is a skill that is injected into you to know when, where, how, ifs, what's, maybes, and which direction to go. So I can't sit here and say, okay, I go start off with dub or I have no idea until the 29th of November.
But you got to remember, a lot of people, they're going to be surprised what comes out of your box because a lot of times they don't hear what's inside of Steelie's box because you're juggling, you do all these nice dance stuff. So then when they start hearing you wheel off, even though it's not a strictly dub dance, it's going to be very interesting. But again, it's you and everybody has dubs.
So who played first?
Remember, that's what it comes down to.
That's what it comes down to. Everyone has what everyone has. So with me, you know, me now go say to myself, me I go save because me love Beer Odyssey anthem. Me I go save that anthem, the Bounty Killer anthem for Beer Odyssey. No, I'm not gonna do that because it's a what? It's a forward dance, right? It's just like a clash. I'm not gonna allow that person to play that because I know he will have the advantage over but again, it's what the people are receptive to. Are they receptive to Next Level playing out Beer Odyssey anthem? Are they receptive to Massive B playing Jaro's Garnet too because they want to hear it from Jaro? But now that gives your opponent the advantage not to work or put in no work. No, you got to work that night. I don't care what people are saying. Why we should have left that for Jaro? But you hear that from Jaro every night. It's something that we love, but here is the Shellers now giving you that that breath of fresh air, that resuscitation. Yeah, man, the Shellers, that was say November 29th. Get ready for that Amazoro.
Okay, so then now let's get down to the hardcore guys now, which is King Klepto, Firelinks, Bass Odyssey, Jaro, and who else is on that and Soul Supreme.
So let me ask you a question, right?
Talk to me.
What are you going to be impressed about that you never seen from these guys before?
But that goes the same way with even you guys that's struggling. What is that? You know what? That is the question, right?
Right.
What's going to be impressive?
It would be more impressive. You said it yourself of not knowing. Okay, you know the hardcore 4 I go play with them play where you love already. And that would be the expectations. It would be harder for us to bring across what we have to the people that don't know. I think that's a harder hill to climb. Than to go there and just put on a song and just walk out in the middle of the floor and make that song they play and the place a mash up. What did you just say? What did you just say?
What did you do?
What did you just do? So it's more of a comfortability for them than for us.
I really want to see, because a lot of people, I don't know if they remember, if they even realize, you and somebody like Firelinks have a lot of history there too.
Of course.
Where I want to see how now that the playing field is level, what is a Steelie and Firelinks in particular gonna come up with that night? That's what I want to see.
But you have to remember Noah too, Noah have something to prove. So you have to inject Noah into that, cause them are gonna come with them gimmicks too, In my Polish, you can't. And then you have next level of people are not giving them, and I would say of what I'm hearing, I'm not saying me in person.
The streets.
But the streets are saying like, next level, where they gonna come with, And they may be the element of surprise. Wipe out everything.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I don't know. So the interview with Chin now, Chin is forcing that energy out of you because he's promoting. But in reality, it's like, why? What the hell is gonna happen that night?
It's gonna be extremely interesting because I said it's 3 different elements happening in one venue, and you guys are New York All-Stars. So then let's see if you guys are defending the grow.
Yeah, and it depends on the format that night, And my format that I would suggest to make it more interesting is odd even, meaning that next level, then a Jaro, then a Steelie Bashment, then a Bass Odyssey, then a Massive B, then a Firelinks, then I know I'm Polish. In that aspect, it brings out the best in who plays before you and after you. Compared to me a player, then Noah player, then Massive B, then we feel like we're in club large.
It's lopsided.
It feel like we're in a club in Brooklyn, in Q Club, So I suggested that to kind of put whoever's before or after on their A game. So you could say, Jara play and play a dub, so I'm not gonna play dubs. Let me try this, or let me start with the dubs. But now if you do the hardcore 4, it goes back into World Clash now. It's like, we seen this already.
That's what we're moving from.
That's where we're moving from. Okay, even when we're playing as the jugglers, we seen that already. So let me kind of mix it up and shuffle it up and let each other feed off of each other. And I think that way would kind of make it a lot interesting.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.